Hi there, welcome to the add-ons. In this video, I will show you how to set up change slash in contact form 7. It lets one field change its choices depending on another field. In this tutorial, I'll build a simple demo category model using 3 different data sources: database, CSV file, and Google Sheets. Here's the example dataset we'll use. Section 1. Change select using a database table. In database mode, your change select options are loaded directly from a table inside your WordPress database. This is great when you have a large dataset or your data changes often. Now, let's connect the field to the database. Set up the category field. Enter the name field, category, choose the change select tab. Under source, select database table. Enter the database name. Enter the column that stores your category values, categories. Click Insert Tag. Next, set up the model field. Type the label. Choose the Change Select tab. Under Source, select Database Table. Enter the same database table name. Enter the column name containing the model values, model. Now we need to tell the plugin how to filter the model based on the selected category. Scroll to the Where section, fill in the condition. Show only database rows where the categories column matches the value selected in the category field. Click Insert Tag. Now save your form and test it on the front end. When I select phone, models should show Pixel 6, iPhone 14. When I select laptop, models update to MacBook Air, Dell ThinkPad. And when I select tablet, shows only tablet models. Select 2. Change select using a CSV file. In CSV mode, we don't manually create rules. Instead, we prepare a CSV file with 2 columns, parent and value. Parent is category and value is model. Now let's configure the category field so the system knows how to match it with the CSV file. Choose the Change Select tab. Under Source, select CSV file. Copy and paste the file path. Enter the column name containing the category values. Click Insert Tag. Next, we set up the model field. Choose the Change Select tab. Under Source, select CSV file. Copy and paste the same file path. Enter the column name containing the model values model. Add the filter. Fill in the condition. Finally, save the form and test it on the front end. When I select phone, models should show Pixel 6, iPhone 14. When I select laptop, models update to MacBook Air, Dell ThinkPad. And when I select tablet, shows only tablet models. Section 3. Change select using a Google Sheets file. Google Sheets works the same way as CSV, but the data is loaded from a live web source. At Category field, choose the Gender Select tab. Under Short, select Google Sheets. Open the sheet. Click Share. Under General Access, set it to anyone with a link. Copy the link and paste it here. Enter the column name containing the category values, categories. Click Insert Tag. Now we need to tell the plugin how to filter the models based on the selected category. Under Source, select Google Sheets again. Paste the same link. Enter the column name containing the model values model. Add the filter. Fill in the condition. Categories equals the field name. Insert tag. Finally, save your form and test it on the front end. You know how to set up Gender Select for Contact Form 7. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.